Yo, hello everyone. Did you have a great experience with a tasker on TaskRabbit and want to leave a review? In this tutorial, I will show you how to leave a review on TaskRabbit without the need for registration. With just a few simple steps, you can share your feedback and help others make informed decisions. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, as you can see, this is TaskRabbit's official website. Here it is, taskrabbit.com. And from here, you can simply book your first task from a tasker. As an example, here I'm going to see if someone can fix my wall. So fix my wall. Minor home repairs. So this is an example. Here, all you have to do is choose your task location. So where is your wall? So where is your house or your office or where it is the wall that you want it to be fixed, where there is exists. So I'm going to choose, for example, street address here, for example, San Francisco, 200, and then click on continue. Here, how big is your task? Small estimated 1 hour, medium 2 to 3 hours, and large estimated time 4+ hours. So as an example, I'm going to choose a medium. Then click on continue and then tell us the details of your task. So for example, here it's like for example, I want you to come fix the hole that I have in my basement wall, and after repairing it, I want you to paint the whole basement in blue. So after that, I will see task splices, and here I will have to choose which tasker I want to choose from. As an example, this one will ask me for 70.20 cents per hour. It depends on you what you want. So it has here all the reviews. So this is what we are going to talk about in this video, which are the reviews. So here you can check the reviews that they have. As an example, this one, how much review. So this one has actually pretty decent amount of reviews. 408 review for his work. And in general, so it has 4.8 on 5 stars, so this is pretty huge as a worker. So he is an elite, he has a great value, and he works minimum 2 hours. So if you had like a job that is estimated for 1 hour, it won't help you, so he will not come help you. So now from here you can see the details, check the date. For example, today I want today, so who is free today? So these guys are free for today. I want it afternoon, 12 to 5 p.m. Here I'm flexible, I want the 12, for example. Let's choose this one, and here you can even choose the price. So I'm going to make around 35. There is no one. We can make it for 40. So this guy will accept my work for 40. I have all the tools you need to assist you with your minor repair. So here it is. He has 14 tasks with TaskRabbit, and they don't really show here the reviews, etc. So this is a bad thing. And for example, we ordered from him and we want to inform people about, is he a good person? Does he have any does he have any good skills, etc. So I'm going to select, for example, this one and continue. And then select and continue. And then when you finish with him, so I want to config, you can pay with Google Play, you can pay with whatever thing you'd like. And once it comes to your house and fixes your wall or anything, this page will be changed. So it's gonna be like so. So then we're gonna take you to my tasks, and here you'll find the task that you are looking for. So it's gonna be over here. Once you're done with the task that the person is done with the task that you give him, this page or the columns will be changed. So here will be columns. So all you have to do is click on them, and once the job is done, you have to pay, click on confirm, and then they will give you like a small window to write your feedback. Right in there, you can write your feedback and give it stars. So these two are how you can review the tasker on TaskRabbit. Of course, there is other ways. For example, you can just go and review the whole application through iOS or Google Play. So you can go to, for example, App Store and review the APK as itself. But this is not what we are talking about today. We are talking about the taskers, the people that you are working with. So these are the reviews that we are interested in, not the application itself, because the application doesn't really matter for us more than the work that people are offering to us. And just so you know, the more you give higher rating to people, you will get some highly discounts from those people. So yeah, it is some kind of give and get, something around that. So if you give 5 stars, next time you offer, you like order from the same person, you will get kind of like a discount. So here, as you might see here, you can select below to receive special offers. So before you actually get to do any review, make sure to choose one of these. So how do you use your TaskRabbit account? Select below to receive special offers for personal, for example. View my profile, and from here you can see personal task and you will get the offers. Sometimes you will even be able to find some discount code around the page itself, which is a pretty good strategy to make you get an order from other people. And as I said, the mechanism of feedback and reviews on TaskRabbit, it is really important to learn how to do it, because you will get discounts, some highly good offers, and sometimes if you passed more than 10 orders, they will give you one free order. So you can order from other people. Of course, that's not only because you are ordering from people a lot, but because you are leaving good feedbacks on those people. It doesn't mean that you have to leave fake feedbacks. Please, guys, do not make any fake feedbacks on those people, because you will like lie to people and people will get scammed, uh, like you did. If they scammed you, for example, the person didn't do a great job and he writes, oh, he did a great job, but in the actual thing he didn't do anything. So people will start ordering from him and they will get screwed as well. So this is not really good for the community. So make sure to be clear and honest with your feedbacks. Do not only give this 5 star only to get the free discount or the free order next time. Make sure to be honest and be like a justice man. So overall, guys, that's how the system works for TaskRabbit Tasker Review. It is not that complicated. Simply, you just have to order. They will give you the page to leave a feedback after the work is done, and from that page, you will have to leave your feedback and the stars rating for that person. Later after that, they will give you discount on the same person or a free order from another person. It is completely random, and and so the platform is. So thank you guys for watching till this moment, and see you guys in the next tutorial.